Today, let's briefly introduce how to use and connect the CU2. Here's the communication application diagram. CU2 features multiple communication ports, including 2 TTL ports, 1 RS232 port, and 8 RS485 ports. Connect RS485 devices, for example, MPPT chargers, inverters, to RS485 CAN ports 1.5. The RMA7 screen must be connected to RS485 CAN port 6. The battery should be connected to the BMS RS485 CAN port 8. The power input terminal DC 10 to 100 volts is at the bottom right corner of the CU2. The CU2 powers on with the indicator light. Upon connecting the power cable, Step 1. Install the SRNE app. There are multiple channels to install the SRNE app. First, at the bottom of page 8 of the CU2 user manual, there is a QR code for app download. Second, you can also directly scan the QR code on the screen, or search for SRNE in the App Store. Third, open the main interface of RMA7, tap Settings, then tap Wi-Fi, and you can also scan the QR code to download. Step 2. Turn on Bluetooth. Step 3. Open the SRNE app. There are 2 connection methods. First, tap the plus or Add Now button. Find the device and tap plus to access the Reset Wi-Fi interface. Second, open the SRNE app and scan the QR code on the product to access the Reset Wi-Fi interface. Tap the Reset Wi-Fi. Tap the Sure. Enter the Wi-Fi password, then tap the Sure. Connection established. The interface will present all system parameters, including real-time data, devices, water tank, fuel tank, temperature, switch, basic information. Alternatively, open main greater than settings greater than Wi-Fi and scan the QR code with the SRNE app to connect directly. On the settings interface, there is a small padlock icon in the upper right corner of both the temperature and tank and switch sections. To adjust parameters, you need to enter the default password 123456.